In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 best DSLR cameras available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Nikon D780 DSLR camera. The Nikon D780 is the top full-frame DSLR that we have tested. This enthusiast-level DSLR has well-spaced tactile buttons and a big, textured hand grip, which gives it a really solid feel. If you prefer to shoot from the hip, you can tilt the screen upward. Additionally, there is a small display on the top of the device that makes it simple to view settings and battery life. This makes it really pleasant to shoot with, paired with its remarkably simple menu system. Additionally, it is touted as being weatherproof against humidity and rain. The camera produces incredible images overall. You can shoot images at high ISOs in dim light without adding too much noise because it has amazing raw noise management capabilities at higher ISO levels. Its autofocus mechanism is likewise excellent, including 51 claim detecting points and an excellent success rate when tracking moving objects, so whether you're capturing pictures or recording videos, your subject should stay in focus even when moving. Additionally, Nikon claims that its battery life is remarkable and should last for about 2,260 photos. At number 4 is the Canon EOS Rebel T8i DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i is the greatest DSLR camera for beginners that we have tested. One of the most complete entry-level DSLRs we've reviewed is this one. Its 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, fully articulating touchscreen, and 4K video capabilities set it apart from many entry-level DSLRs. The camera is also quite easy to operate and features a menu structure that is very intuitive, with explanations of settings for new users. Overall, it produces extremely decent image quality right out of the box, and as you increase the ISO for darker lighting settings, photos appear to be relatively clear and noise-free. With quick and dependable tracking performance and a good number of cross-type recognition points for more precise focusing, its autofocus technology is great for a starting DSLR. Although battery life can also vary depending on usage patterns and settings, it also boasts an impressive stated battery life of over 800 photos when shooting through the viewfinder. Top 3 at our list is the Nikon D5600 DSLR camera. Consider the Nikon D5600 if you favor Nikon's ergonomics and menu system or if you already own several Nikon lenses. In contrast to the Canon EOS Rebel T8i, it does not support 4K video. But if photography is your major interest, this is a fantastic alternative with an even greater battery life and a slightly more portable design. Although it's not as bright and might struggle to avoid glare and really sunny settings, it boasts a fully articulated touchscreen to assist you shoot from different angles. Even yet, the camera produces remarkably detailed, crisp, and colorful images. Additionally, the kit lens's optical stabilization does a great job at minimizing camera shake. However, its autofocus system may use some improvement. Moving up at number 2 is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is the greatest DSLR camera we've evaluated for consumers on a tight budget. This entry-level DSLR is more portable for prolonged shooting sessions because it is smaller and lighter than other crop sensor DSLRs in Canon's lineup. Its controls are evenly spread out, so even if you have large hands, you should find it comfortable to use despite its relatively small size. Another unique feature for a DSLR at this price point is its fully articulated touchscreen, which makes it a little simpler to frame images taken from unusual angles. The 24.1 MP sensor in this camera enables it to produce JPEG and RAW images with respectable quality right out of the box with an exceptionally wide dynamic range at base ISO. In darker settings, increasing ISO may result in additional noise and a loss of sharpness. In still photography, its focusing mechanism does a good job of following moving subjects, and when recording full HD video, it performs admirably. Additionally, there are numerous inputs and outputs for different peripherals, such as headphone and microphone jacks, a micro USB port, an HDMI connector, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for connecting the camera to your smartphone. And at number 1 is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR camera. The best and most reasonably priced full-frame DSLR camera we've examined is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. For individuals who wish to upgrade to their first full-frame camera or who desire full-frame image quality at a lower price range, it's a solid alternative. It boasts a user-friendly menu system and a comfortable feel to shoot with, similar to previous Canon cameras. Additionally, It is touted as having a completely articulated screen and being weather sealed so you can film from all angles. The camera's full-frame 26.2 megapixel sensor produces incredible overall image quality. It performs well even in low light, thanks to its outstanding noise management at higher ISO settings while shooting in RAW. Although it lacks in-body image stabilization, it includes a digital stabilization capability that, when combined with its optically stabilized kit lens, does a remarkable job of minimizing handheld camera wobble. When tracking moving subjects, its autofocus technology likewise does a respectable job, though it is not as effective as higher-end models. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.